SmartAsset Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. SmartAsset is a free online platform offering financial tools, including a retirement calculator and advisor matching service. It helps users estimate retirement saving needs and connect with the financial advisor. And here are the advantages and the disadvantages of this platform. So talking about the advantages, the retirement calculator is accessible and easy to use. It also connects users with a financial advisor based on their financial situation. They also provide informative articles and guidance or guide on various financial topics. And here's the downside, which is the advantages. Some users report being matched with advisors who may not fully align with their needs. And also the platform earns revenue by selling user information to advisors, which may affect the objective of the matches. The calculator may not be precise for those planning early retirement as it uses standard assumption. And here's the final verdict about this platform, which is the SmartAsset Retirement Planner is a hopeful starting point for individuals beginning their retirement planning journey. It is especially useful for those seeking general guidance and connections to financial advice. However, users should be aware of its limitation and consider supplementing it with additional research or a professional advice.